I'll center the image as well by clicking and dragging inside the transform box. I'm not worried about those areas on the sides that are still outside the canvas because I'm just using the image as a texture. As long as it will fit nicely inside the text, it's good enough. Centering the image in the layer mask. Centering the image in the layer mask. To accept it and close free transform, click the checkmark in the options bar. Clicking the checkmark. Clicking the checkmark. Removing the selection outline. Go up to the select menu and choose deselect to remove the selection outline from around the image. Choosing the deselect command. Going to select deselect. Zooming back in on the document. Then